Hello guys, welcome to the Techno Skill channel. So today we are going to learn about WC command. It's nothing but word count. So as we have file1.txt. Okay. So in that file we have content like this is file to check word count. Okay. So next line, welcome to the Techno Skill channel. So these three lines we can put it into this file. Okay, and let us check how this word count command will get executed and how we can identify. Let us go to our console. Yeah, this is my server, Ubuntu server. Okay, let me clear. So let me create one file2.txt. Go to insert, go to insert. Okay, so whatever content we type here, let us copy and insert it. Okay, sorry, two times it got copied. Let us save this. Okay, so we have this file now. Okay, I have one more file. Let me delete that file. Okay, we have created this file right now, correct? So, sorry, yes, let us check how this WC command works. So, first we use WC F1L. L means it counts the lines. How many lines? One, two, three lines are there. You should check it will or not. See, it's showing three lines. That can confirm it. See, one, two, three lines. So next command is WC W. It means it will count the words. How many words are there? So WC one word file name. See, 12 words are there. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count it. Okay. Next command is like WC hyphen C. WC hyphen C. Nothing but characters. How many characters are there in the file? So total we have 63 files, 63 characters in our file. You can count from here to here. So that's it guys. This WC word count command works like this. If you have any doubts, please do comment in below the video. Thank you so much for joining. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.